I'm trying to get my fly and storm gear up there before it's too late. Finally have the 2-to-1 hauling ratchet working pretty well. The trick I've found, in addition to not setting it up over slightly less than vertical wall like this would help, is a foot stirrup. You can see that pulls the bottom piece down while the ratchet is in action. We've got a basic 1-to-1 holly set up here on the white line. And then using this red Z cord, got a hauling ratchet. Oh, still a lot of work though. This probably takes up half my day.